Now we are going to take a look on this switch in a plane direction. Imagine if you want to modify one of these particular portions from this faces, means you already defined it within whatever the feature was. Suppose if you want to change the plane from side to top, means what we need to do, again we need to draw a profile and creating the formations. Instead of this, selecting this whatever the feature value, now go to this particular sketch profile, right click, edit sketch plane, then pick your own plane now, whether a side plane or a top plane. Now I just select a top plane. Also, if you get an error because completely the orientation is changed, if the orientation is changed based on the constraint points, automatically we get an error. So what we need to do in this condition means pick this particular constraint. I'm selecting one of its endpoint. Here we have a constant constraints. By deleting of it, I'm going to switch this point up to this opposite point itself. Next to the same as like by picking off this profile, we can easy to delete it. Horizontally, fix it with the 15 mm value, exit the sketch, close the sketch, pick this extruded cut, afterwards change the direction. This is how the actual orientations will be changing by selecting of a different kind of faces also. Thank you.